morning, guys. It's our first full day here in Bohol. Today we are heading to Chocolate Hills. We've been googling a little restaurant, we've seen it on YouTube and Instagram, looks absolutely delicious. We're gonna hire a motorbike, we'll see it at the restaurant. We've got here to this beautiful cafe. It's really cool actually. They they have all the pictures of all their dishes on an iPad. So Joe's gone for the full English, I've gone for the American. Check it out. It looks absolutely delicious looking at everyone else's. Joe went for an iced tea. How is it?
Very tasty.
Wow! That looks so cool. Breakfast has arrived, Joanne. What are we saying?
So excited.
American breakfast, English breakfast, Brit on tour, and a cappuccino. Coffee and breakfast at Tampa Coffee and Brunch was absolutely delicious. So good, well enjoyed that. Right, we're now going to hit the Chocolate Hills, then we're going to hit Man-Made Forest. We're going to check out the swinging bamboo bridge, and then maybe a little river cruise as well. We've arrived at the Chocolate Hills. We're now here. We took a pretty scenic road actually. It was absolutely spectacular. We're now going to tackle these stairs and try and get the best view of the Chocolate Hills. Let's go. Check out the Chocolate Hills. You're probably wondering why they're called the Chocolate Hills when they're green. In the dry season they go brown, but as we're not too long from the rainy season, they're lusciously green. And the amazing thing is, these are natural as well, absolutely spectacular. So we're just leaving the main Chocolate Hills area. What did you think of that, Joe?
Pretty spectacular.
Can't believe they're real, and I couldn't believe they're actually made from shell and coral. Yeah, absolutely mind-boggling. Anyway, we're going to go down to the main road. We're going to go fly a drone. Apparently you can fly a drone around here, you just can't fly it where all the tourists are, which is kind of fair enough. So here comes the footage, check it out. Just flying the drone, thought that was pretty spectacular.
It was pretty amazing. The drone got much better footage than what we would have seen being up there looking at it. So it'd be good to replay back, see what it looks like.
Yeah, I'm quite looking forward to watching that in more detail. It looked really good. We're now heading to the Man-Made Forest. Let's hit the road and let's go check out the Man-Made Forest. Just arrived at the Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area, which is where you can see this little cute monkey apparently. So fingers crossed we can see one. Time to see the monkey. Now Joe, you're not normally a fan of monkeys, are you?
Well, they ate the little things.
These monkeys are a little bit different though.
They best be.
They've got big eyes, they're very shy and very slow moving, so fingers crossed we spot a few. Monkeys are absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I've seen any monkey kind of like it. Pretty impressive. They're very shy, very slow moving, but absolutely amazing. Wow, absolutely stunning animals. We hadn't planned on doing this on our trip today, but it's just where we've ended up. Absolutely amazing. Now let's go hit the Man-Made Forest. Check out the man-made forest. This place is stunning. Just a road weaving through this forest. Absolutely amazing. Did the man-made forest. I even got the drone out, which Joe was a little bit worried about, but I can totally understand that. We've now just pulled over at the river cruise and we're going to go check it out now. I've read the river cruise is beautiful. So we've hit the river cruise. We've got a buffet included. I must admit it looks really good. Bit of live music here. The cruise lasts about an hour and the food's about half an hour. It was 650 pesos each, which is about £10. Absolutely just what the doctor ordered. A little bit of food, hour of just pure relaxation, bit of music, beautiful river. The colour of the water was insane for a river. Just wanted to wrap up today's vlog. Joe and I did kind of the Island Bohol tour. Absolutely brilliant. Chocolate hills were absolutely fantastic. There were only 50 pesos a person. Then we went and saw the cute little monkeys. I forget the name of them, really sorry. I will put it in the description. They were absolutely gorgeous. Mind-blowingly beautiful when I saw those. They've got massive eyes, tiny little bodies, are really shy and quiet. They were absolutely amazing. Again, that was only 80 pesos. Then the man-made forest, that's free, of course it is. You just drive through and there's some really good picture spots. Myself and Joe got some good footage. Then we did an unexpected stop. We did a river cruise. Now the river cruise, that was a bit more expensive. Now there's two ways of doing it. One way is an unofficial way. It was getting late in the day, so we were struggling with that. Or the official way. The official way did cost us 650 pesos, which is about £10 in today's money. Now you get a full buffet, hour and a half, so an hour of cruising. You get some entertainment along the way, some music as well. And then we did go to find the hanging bridge. It was about 5 PM, so it was late in the day. Been on the bike all day. We kind of had a look and couldn't really find it. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next vlog.